Okay, so everyone, now welcome back again to our second session altogether. So everyone, in the second session, we are going to study about Hangout book. All right, good. So now teacher would like to get your attention after you had the first break time, right? And did you enjoy with your friend, everyone? Good. So teacher would like to get your attention to move on to the second session. So everyone, please take out the Hangout book. Okay, so you have to focus about the lesson it is about in Hangout. Okay, so everyone, what did you learn in Hangout book? Do you still remember, everyone? Okay, good. So yesterday you have practiced about the exercise which is about in the review 3. Okay, from unit 7 up until unit 9. Okay, so everyone, now let's move on to the exercise practice which is about, okay, unit review 3 7 up until unit 9, and we move on to section B and section C. Okay, so everyone, now you can open the book on page, okay, so on page 109, okay, that you can see the review 3 which is about section B and section C. So everyone, don't waste our time, so we have to move on, okay, to section B altogether. So this is kind of listening practice, so you have to listen to the listening track to the next speaker, and after that you have to, okay, very good, circle. So everyone, we have 4 columns, okay, and we also have 4 sentences, I mean that 4 questions, and we also have the picture A and B. Okay, so you have to listen carefully, and after that you have to choose whether number 1 it is A or B. Okay, good. So everyone, you can listen to the listening track, and after that we will complete the exercise. Let's start.
B. Listen, then circle.
Do you like playing games?
Yes, I do. Let's play pool.
No, thanks. I don't like playing pool.
Can you play basketball?
Yes, I can. I'm good at shooting baskets.
How often do you play?
I sometimes play basketball, and I always play football in the afternoon. I love playing football.
It's hot in the afternoon.
Yes, it is. You should drink lots of water and eat fruit.
I don't like drinking water, but I love eating fruit.
Okay, very good, everyone. So welcome back again. Okay, so teacher believe that you can catch up the answer, right? Very good. So now let's check the answer with me all together. So whether the exercise in here you can complete successfully or not. Good. So everyone, now let's focus about the first one altogether. So this is about the question number 1. What doesn't the girl like playing? Teacher already wrote on the whiteboard. So what doesn't the girl like playing? So everyone, based on what you have listened, so you can know exactly, right? Because of A and B is relevant to the picture that is in the speaker, what the speaker said, right? Good. So number 1 is about, very good. So the girl doesn't like playing pool. Very good. So it is about A. So you have to circle A. So number 1 it is about A. So as you can see the picture, it is about pool, right? Good. So now let's move on to number 2. So number 2, what is the girl good at doing? What is the girl good at doing? So which one is the correct answer? A and B. So which one, everyone? Okay, good job, everyone. So it is about, yes, about A. So A is the correct answer. Okay, very good. So shoot basket, right? Good, everyone. Now let's move on to number 3. So what does the girl love playing? What does the girl love playing? Love, I mean like, right? So what does the girl like playing? The same, right? Good. So which one is the correct answer, everyone? Okay, good job, everyone. So it is about B. Very good. So it is about B. B is the correct answer. Okay, good job everyone. So now let's move on to number 4, the last one. So the last one, it is about what should the boy do when it is hot? What should the boy do when it is hot? So it is about what? The question I asked you all of you about the advice, right? So what should the boy do when it is hot? So the correct answer, it is about, yes, very good. So it is about A. Do you see the water, everyone? Very good. So if it is hot, so the boy should drink water. Very good. This is what you have listened in the listening track, right? Good. So now let's move on to section C, which is about read and circle. Read and circle. This is about the exercise which is include about the exercise in unit 7 up until unit 9. So everyone, teacher strongly believe that you can complete well and you still remember about the lesson that you have learned. Okay, good everyone. So now let's focus about the exercise on the whiteboard altogether. So we have the exercise, we have 1 up until 7. Okay, so number 1, you have to circle the correct answer. Number 1, we have A and B, so we divide it into 2 parts. So A, what is or what are still good at? So you have to choose only one, whether is or are. Everyone, can you tell me which one is the correct answer? Okay, very good. So the correct answer is the first one, is. Why you choose is? Because the word Steven stand for subject he. So he we just with is, not are, right? Steven only one person like me, so is. Okay, very good. So letter B, he is good at shooting baskets. So anyone, which one is the correct answer, whether shoot or shooting? Okay, good job. So it is about shooting. Very good. Why? Like teacher taught you already about to be good at, and then after that we have to plus verb ing. You see? Good. So good at shooting, not shoot. Okay, after good at and plus ing, verb ing. Okay, very good. So move on to number 2. I loves playing pool. So which one is the correct answer? Whether love without s and love with s. So which one is the correct answer? Okay, very good. So the correct answer is the first one, because subject I love, not I loves. Okay, very good. So love we use s with the third person singular, he, she, it, right? Okay, good. So now let's move on to number 3. He doesn't like playing board games. So which one is the correct answer? Everyone, don't or doesn't? So don't or doesn't, everyone? So the correct answer is, it is about doesn't. Very good. So he doesn't like playing board games, not he don't, because he here refer to the third person singular, so we have to use doesn't. Okay, does not. So now let's move on to number 4. Does she like mountain biking? Does she like mountain bike? So which one is the correct answer, everyone? So you have learned already, right? Because the word here, mountain biking. Very good. So you choose the word biking. Mountain biking. Very good. Okay, so everyone, now let's move to number 5. So how often does they play video games? So everyone, which one is the correct answer? Whether do or does? So the subject they we use with. Very good. So they we use with do. So how often do they play video games? Not does. Okay, very good. So now let's move on to number 6. Fruit is good for you. You should you shouldn't eat more. So which one is the correct answer, everyone? Whether should or shouldn't? Okay, very good. Because the first sentence say that fruit is good for you, right? So that's why you should. Very good. So you should eat it more because it's good for you. Okay, it has a lot of vitamin, right? Okay, good. So now let's move to the last one, number 7. I had eating vegetables. So which one is the correct answer, everyone? Very good. So the correct answer is the second one, eating. After had, we have to put verb ing. I had eating, not I had it. Okay. Very good, everyone. So this is about the exercise practice regarding to the 3 units together. So anyone, do you have any question? Very good. And if you don't have any question, so this is about the end. Okay. So everyone, see you tomorrow all together. Goodbye.